Guidel Rotary Cheese Grater Kitchen Mandoline Vegetable Slicer. Tired of tedious meal prep and pre-packaged cheese that just doesn't taste fresh? Meet the Guidel Rotary Cheese Grater, your new kitchen hero. This versatile tool makes slicing, shredding, and grinding a breeze. With 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades, you'll whip up salads, tacos, and smoothies faster than ever, 12 times faster to be exact. Plus, the BPA-free ABS material ensures safe and healthy meals. Its clever suction base keeps it steady, and your hands stay protected thanks to the ergonomic handle and food pusher. Cleaning? A dream. Just rinse it under water or pop it in the dishwasher. Transform your kitchen routine today with the Guidel Rotary Cheese Grater. Check it out now and say goodbye to boring, bagged cheese. OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer. Looking for the easiest way to slice veggies perfectly every time? Meet the OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer, your shortcut to gourmet-worthy meals. This sleek slicer gives you 3 adjustable thickness options, perfect for everything from paper-thin cucumbers to hearty potato slices. The window design lets you see your slices as you work, and its non-slip handle and foot ensure safe and stable slicing on any surface. Whether you're prepping on a plate, cutting board, or bowl, the OXO Mandoline delivers convenience and precision. And when you're done, just pop it in the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. Ready to upgrade your slicing game? Get the OXO Good Grips Mandoline Slicer today and make meal prep a breeze. Full-Star Mandoline Slicer for kitchen. Why settle for 1 tool when you can have 6? Introducing the Full-Star Mandoline Slicer, the ultimate 6-in-1 kitchen gadget. This multifunctional slicer lets you slice, julienne, grate, spiralize, and more, all with razor-sharp stainless steel blades. The included catch tray keeps your counter mess-free, while the non-slip base makes slicing stable and stress-free. Safety is a priority with the protective glove and finger guard, and cleanup is a cinch thanks to its dishwasher-safe design and handy cleaning tool. Whether you're making zoodles, prepping salads, or garnishing dishes, the Full-Star Mandoline is a must-have. Get creative in the kitchen. Order your Full-Star Mandoline Slicer now and take your cooking to the next level. Once for all, safe Mandoline Slicer 5-in-1. Say goodbye to kitchen mishaps and hello to effortless slicing. Meet the once for all safe Mandoline Slicer, where safety meets versatility. With hidden blades and a safety lock, you can prep with confidence. No gloves or blade changes required. This 5-in-1 slicer handles julienne, matchstick, dicing and slicing with adjustable thickness from 0.1 to 8 millimeters. The collapsible design makes it easy to store, and it even comes with a cleaning brush for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Whether you're slicing potatoes, carrots, or fruit, this tool saves time and keeps your hands safe. Level up your kitchen safety and efficiency. Click the link to grab your once-for-all Mandoline Slicer today.